Our training school prepares students for CNC advanced manufacturing, and within 4 months, they have a career for life.
Really, the possibilities are endless. They could become machinists, they could advance, become programmers one day. They could also do something totally different where they might be working for a distributor for the CNC tool. So based on their knowledge and operating the machine, that's what helps them excel.
Teachers have been through a lot of stuff. They've seen plenty of jobs, of course, so they'll let you know, like, if you go into a company, maybe don't be as scared to be a little assertive. You know, you deserve it because you have this degree that you worked for. It's a good experience, you know. I got to let me know that there's still people who care about what you're gonna do and they're gonna work to get you there.
If you have somebody who has no experience coming into a machine shop or a manufacturing plant, it takes a little bit more effort to train that person and to show them the basics. Over here is they already have that 1 foot through the door already. They already learn about machining, the basics, the mill, the lathe, different axes, and different ways the machine runs. You know you're making a difference in the world, making something good for the economy and making something good for you, earning a good living, earning good pay, and taking care of your family.
It's cool as heck. A year ago, what's crazy is I didn't even know this stuff existed. A couple months later, I come here on a school trip, and I thought, yeah, I could do this. 2 months later, I'm almost done and I am loving every second of it.
For high school kids, there's another way. You do not have to go to college. Instead of doing that, come straight out of high school and come here and you could be working. Within the year, you could be working. That money you would have been paying that college, you could be saving that. If you're great with hands-on and you know how to work on a car, or you figure your stuff out and you're good at math, bring it here. We need you. We need you in this industry.
And this is something that is great. This is something that you can make very good money on, and I can see myself doing this for 40 years, 50 years.